In this video, I will show you how to fix the Roblox white screen issue when you're trying to join a game. So let's jump straight into it. Now there's a couple of things I'm going to go through with you, so make sure you follow this video all the way through until the end. And the first thing you're going to want to do is, if you have any browser extensions, you want to make sure that they're disabled, of course ones that you're not using. So what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner of your browser and click onto the extensions button, and then go ahead and click manage extensions at the bottom. So if there's any that you're not currently using, what you can do is disable these by just basically switching them off by pressing the button. So once you've gone ahead and done that, the next thing you're going to want to do is end anything that may be interfering with your Roblox. So what I mean by this is, if you come down to your taskbar on your desktop, right click and click onto Task Manager, and underneath the Processes tab, you basically want to end anything that's using a lot of your system RAM, which is things like Discord or Steam or any other games that you've got running. So what you want to do is basically locate that, right click and click onto End Task next to each process. So another fix that I could recommend is to make sure your graphics card is up to date. So to do this, what you want to do is come down to your search box in the bottom left hand corner, give that a click, and then go ahead and type Device Management. Underneath Best Match, you should see the Device Manager app. So what you want to do is click on this to open it. And then from here, what you want to do is look for the display adapters, which is this one here, and then click the arrow next to it to locate your graphics card. Now, if you click onto your graphics card and right click, and what you want to do is click onto Update Driver. Next, go ahead and click onto Search Automatically for Drivers, and this is going to tell you if you've got the best drivers or if there's any updates available. So once you've done that, the next thing you're going to want to do is update your graphics preferences for Roblox. So to do this, come down again to the search box down in the bottom left hand corner, go and give that a click and type graphics into the search box. Underneath Best Match, you should see the graphics settings app. So what you want to do is click on that to load it through. And you should see Roblox showing up here. If you don't see it showing up, then just click onto the Browse button, and what you can do is go ahead and locate the Roblox Player Launcher, which is generally in your C drive and program files. Double click to add this, and then what you want to do is click onto the Roblox app here, and you want to click onto Options. Next, what you want to do is make sure this is set to High Performance, and then click the Save button. And the final thing you're going to want to do is to make sure the compatibility is correct. So to do this, again, come back to your desktop and to the search box, and then go ahead and type Roblox into the search box. Underneath Best Match, you want to right click onto your Roblox player and then click onto Open File Location. It's going to take you across to your Roblox folder, and what you want to do is click onto the Roblox player and then right click and come down to the bottom and click onto Properties. So this is going to open up a window like this. Now what you want to do from here, at the top you're going to have some different tabs. You want to click onto Compatibility, and it's just a few things we're going to change in here. So first, in the Compatibility Mode section, you want to make sure this box is ticked, and in the drop down box you want to select Windows 8. In the next section, which says Settings, you want to make sure you've got Disable Full Screen Optimizations ticked and to run this program as an administrator. Once that's done, go ahead and click Apply down here. And if you do have the option to run the Troubleshooter up here, go ahead and click that as well to run and detect and resolve any issues. Once you clicked onto this, what you want to do is click onto Try Recommended Settings and then click onto Test the Program. So what this does, it basically reinstalls Roblox and it configures it to run at the best possible performance on your computer. Once that's done, go ahead and click OK and then click Next. And then go ahead and click Yes, save these settings for this program. So as you can see, it should now say fixed with a tick, and we know that's successfully configured the program. And what we can now do is close this and come out of the compatibility. So once you've done all that, all you need to do now is go ahead, restart your PC, and then try and load up Roblox. And that's how you go ahead and fix the white screen issue on Roblox. So I hope this tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.